Gun lawyer Cheshire DeBrosse coming to you from Columbus, Ohio. Munitions Group, munitionsgroup.com. Please check us out. Got a fun question today. I know I've addressed it before, but I'm going to address it again. Tannerite. For you those who don't know what Tannerite is, it's the name brand, I mean the main brand probably, of sensitized aluminum nitrate. Did I get that right?
Nope, ammonium nitrate.
Ammonium nitrate.
Yeah.
See, I didn't actually know this, but Curtis actually is the one who knew all this stuff.
You were close because it uses aluminum metal.
Yeah, I got him all
you're
confused.
okay.
But anyhow, I'm not going to tell you guys why Curtis knows this, but I know what it is. I know how it functions. I just don't know the chemistry behind it. But what it starts out as is two separate substances. One's essentially fertilizer, which is ammonium nitrate, which won't explode on its own under the circumstances that we as normal gun owners would use it. And then the second one is an aluminum powder. When you mix it together, it becomes our exploding targets, otherwise known as sensitized ammonium nitrate. So, is that legal or not? Not legal in the state of Ohio, at least. In most states, it is legal. In Ohio, it is not legal once it's mixed. It's kind of like fireworks. If any of you go out and buy fireworks on 4th of July, you can buy them, but you sign a little letter saying you're not going to let them off in Ohio. It's kind of the same thing. You can buy sensitized ammonium nitrate in Ohio. Well, that's not actually true. You can buy the components of it, I guess is what I'm saying. You just can't mix them because then it becomes dangerous ordnance. And to be hyper technical, it's actually legal in Ohio if you have the proper licensing. It's not something we can put on the National Firearms Transaction Registry, which is a federal registry of our machine guns and suppressors, and anything on that registry is accepted under the dangerous ordnance law in Ohio. So because we can't put it on that list, what are our other options? As civilians, really our only other option, without getting licensed by the federal government, is to get a sheriff's license. It's called a BSSA-1 form. They're difficult to find. I'd be more than happy to help you guys find those. We do have a couple in the office if you're interested. But it's a $50 application process that you submit to your sheriff. I believe it can also be submitted to your chief of police or chief fire marshal in your area, and maybe even a public safety officer may be able to sign off on it. There's a few different law enforcement officers that can. But once that's approved, you can own it and you can use it. But outside of that, it's illegal. Once it's mixed, it's illegal to have. It's written directly into the law that sensitized ammonium nitrate is in fact dangerous ordnance, and without the proper licensing, it's a crime to be in possession of it. So I think that's all the question I really have regarding that. So I just want you guys to know that. And remember, it's not Tannerite. It's actually sensitized ammonium nitrate. Tannerite's a brand. But hope answers your question. If you are using that out there in Ohio, just remember what I said. You know, it is illegal, and you can get in a lot of trouble for it. So any other questions, drop them in the comments below. Shoot us a message, telephone call, leave a message with our office, and we'll be happy to try to answer them as time permits. As always, be safe and carry on.